14. Write 0.581 as fraction. This is recurring. So it's x equal to 0.581. It's recurring. So this is basically equal to 0.5818181 recurring. Okay, so first to do this, first you put the decimal before you want it here. So 1, so it's 10x equal to 5.81. This is recurring. And then you put another decimal after. So it's 1, 2, 3. That equal to 1000x equal to 581.81 recurring. Okay. And to solve this, this is your first equation. This is second. And for just take 2, you minus 1. You get 1000x minus 10x. That equal to 581.81 recurring minus 5.81. 990x equal to you minus, you get 576. Do take note, after you minus, it must be a whole number. You cannot get any decimal. So if you minus the still decimal, there's something is not right. Okay, make sure the decimal is correct. Okay, so your x is equal to 576 over 990. And the question asks for simplest form. So simplify, you should get 32 over 55. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.